Hey everyone, if you have already taken action and gotten your spring pre-emergent out of the way, then you need to start thinking about and transitioning into the first fertilization of the year for your turf. The first fertilization is the most important one of the year. You're going to do several throughout the course of the year, but the first one's the most important because your grass is trying to green up. It's trying to come out of dormancy. The root system is actively growing, and you need to give it the nutrients it needs to really push through that and to get established. And so you need to get out, get your product ready, purchase your product, and get that application out. One thing I want to warn you against is a lot of people want to use a high nitrogen, fast acting fertilizer just to boost your grass and to green it up fast. And I want to warn you against that. You need to use a slow release fertilizer. Those fast acting high nitrogen fertilizers are very short term. They don't give you much benefit at all long term. You want to use something that's going to give you 6 to 8 weeks of nutrients to get you until you're going to put out your next fertilizer. And so use a slow release fertilizer. It's just like if we were to eat a Snickers bar for breakfast. It's not going to do us a whole lot of good long term. Yeah, it'll give us a jolt of energy, but we're going to crash and it's not going to get you through the day. Your lawn's no different. You need something that's going to last, that's going to give it the nutrients it needs to last, for the next 6 to 8 weeks. So use a slow release fertilizer and go ahead and get that out now. I'll be making a number of videos talking about different fertilizers and what to use and what we use here over the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for those. But in the meantime, if you need help with that, if you have questions, just comment below, shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you any way we can. Thanks.